Everybody, welcome back to Adventures in Nodland. I've been a bit since I streamed. I was in London 1 week, and then I went travel. And then on Monday I was thinking of streaming, but I ended up going to. Wait a second. Sorry. Here we go. I need to mute this. Okay. I ended up having a meeting before that went over massively. And I was in the OpenJS Foundation board meeting, and that was super important that I had to attend. So I could not, I could not break it. So I had to do that. So I am around and live, and everything is fine, I think. So good. How all of you are doing? Like again, I don't know. There is a few people that joined up. I don't know. Hello, hi in the chat to all my friends. And here we go. Let's open the chat box. Here we go. Okay, so let's get started. Important news: next week we are going live with the 1.0 release of Platformatic. So hey, look, tune in. I don't know. So I am planning to finish between today and tomorrow. I need to finish this PR that we have been working on together on the tests, and we are going to get it done hopefully. So yeah, I need to see what's missing because I completely forgot the state of this stuff. Oh, sorry, I didn't almost destroy everything. By the way, I have a nice bottle. If we lose the stuff, we can get into swag. So here we go. Here we go. Where it is. Here we go. Platformatic. And it's our bottle. Only few people at the bottle. So anyway, we can get into swag if things go south. So people are online, and there is also Primagen and Elysia online. So hey, hi folks. I need to disturb them at some point. So cool. So okay, let's get us started, and we can go back to the terminal here, and let's keep going. Well, one thing that I can do is I'm actually live, so. Yeah. More testing. Here we go. And share now. Here we go. Okay. Great. Okay, so where are we? Let's switch what we got here. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay. Okay. Hey, AJ, thank you. Hey, AJ, hello. Thank you for joining. And it's amazing to see people loving Node, and keep working on Node. Please keep using Node, keep supporting Node. Node is great. I don't know, it changes my life, so it can change yours too. So, okay. Ooh. Okay, so create Platformatic. Ciao a tutti, Jopan 1-on-1. Hello, everybody. Hi, Jopan. How are you doing today? Yes. And no, for now, let's test this up. Hey, Julio Cass, how are you doing today? Any good conference that for you folks are planning for this, for the rest of, for fall? Okay. Oh, wait, there is a coffee offer? A coffee offer? Where is the coffee? Where is the coffee? Oh, look, I am totally in for a coffee. So. Oh, here in Forlì. Come on. So, okay, where do I live? So here, where do I live? Let's show this, okay? So I live in a town called Forlì. Okay, this is where I live. This is Forlì, which you can get here, seeing something like that. And I grew up in this city. Okay, I also lived in Bologna here and in Cervia over here. Technically Milano Marittima, but whatever. This is my 3 places. Yeah, no, I have nothing like that. I'm totally sorted. No and no. Okay. Great. So, oh no, I did make a mess. So, made a mess. Hi, Programmer Network. Whoa, you were invited, AJ, to speak at reInvent about AWS Lambda Cold Start. Wow. Look, I super excited about that talk. That is a phenomenal service, phenomenal thing to talk about. So it's a pretty exciting thing, to be honest. Any big improvement related to cold start, like run learning processes? Okay, so let's see. Whoa, okay, this worked out of the box. So this is amazing. Well, you just came back from your Programmer Network. You came back with your team from Google GCP Summit in Stockholm. Whoa, did it blow your mind? The Google stuff is always mind-blowing and always at the top. Like, my favorite service is the whole Spanner thing. If you have not read the Spanner paper, it's amazing. So, whoa, are you aware of how it's amazing to see, AJ, are you aware of how AWS is going to leverage the new loader in Lambdas? I think it's amazing, by the way. The new loader is freaking amazing to see. I don't know if you've seen, folks, but it's really it's really a massive improvement in terms of APIs. Like, it has this API here called register. This is amazing. Okay, this is phenomenal because this tells how to register a a new loader. Okay, it's blows your mind. Okay, it's just damn works, and you don't need to do -- import blah 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 anymore, and you can just use it in process, which means yeah, you're using it a lot in Datadog. Yeah, I know Datadog is this actually, was mostly driven by Datadog or something like that from problems Datadog were having. So, it's okay. So this works as expected. Okay, so I'm good with that. Okay, so rm-rf bbb, make clear bbb, cd bbb. Okay, so let's try Platformatic with db here, and let's try SQLite. Yes. Okay, and we want the full migration, plugins, no TypeScript for now. Yes, npm install. Yeah, I don't know if you have been following the Node 20 path. Node 20 has been very hard in terms of, like, we changed a lot in Node 20, and it has been a rough. It had a rough patch. Like, for example, Platformatic does not support anything between 20.0.0 to 20.6.0. Like, anything between those two does not exist. Okay, because of the new loader stuff, which is very tricky business. So yeah. Very, yeah. No, and no. Okay. Ooh. Ha, you see. Haha. There was a problem in this generator. Okay. What is this? Oh, so this starts. Test. Types. Oh, it's all lowercase. Okay. So in here. Yep. Ain't nobody asking, I've been basking in my liberty, for slavery is real. Doesn't mean the shackles gotta be revealed. Fighting with my pen, it's the closest thing to steal, and it's what they wanna steal. There's value in the word, gotta figure out the real. Juggling and wrestling thoughts in my mind. The influence was okay, great. Look at how fast those tests are. Like, it's blazing fast. Look. And if I do not dash test, turbo speed. Okay, pretty impressed. Okay, so this is great. Oh, so let's do that. Let's try with a freshly baked. Let's just try this. No, down. Let's create fresh databases. And I want DB. I want it here. I want Postgres. And I want this thing from Postgres. Yes. And yes. Yes. No. Yes. What's the problem? Oh. Yep. Yep. Okay. DB here. Postgres. Yes. 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 No. This is okay. Sorry. Why? Oh. Okay, let's do that. Here we go. And we want migrations, yes. Do we want to enable PR previews? No and no. Okay, great. All done, yes. Okay, so npm test. Yes, super fast. It's almost as fast as we things with like the previous one with half as slow with Postgres compared to SQLite, which seems okay. What? What? Sorry, why this is happening? Okay. Okay. Agree. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, fine. Perfect. Okay, so this is passing. Postgres is good. Okay. Yeah, and let's start it again. Let's do it all again with DB here and MySQL. Yes, let's do that. Yes. Yeah, yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. What code did MySQL run? Let me look at what has been generated because I don't remember how this does work. Oh, undefined. Not good. Why it's undefined? Hi Jahood, how are you doing? Welcome back to the channel and thank you very much for your support. So, okay, let's see where we are at. Why this is undefined. So in the create plugins helper, yeah, requires, yeah, and yeah, well, like that. Hello, Programmer Network. Thank you very much for your support. Okay. Ooh, made a mistake. Okay. Okay, so let's see what's the problem and why. Oh, unknown database Platformatic. What did I start this with? And sorry, it's over here. Well, I just need to thank you very much, Programmer Network. You have that saying that Fastify is the best thing that happened to Node.js community since its inception. It's great. Okay, thank you very much. You know, this is something that it's. If you're following me, you're probably nice. You probably like all of that. So you might go to fastify.dev and check out Fastify. This is it's pretty amazing to see how it went from being a project that me and Thomas started a long time ago to something that's used by millions. Look, went up apart from the low downloads last week or something. There was no download on. It seems it was down. The reporting download number are down. So, oh, your entire system at Programmer Network is about Fastify. Cool. Join us. Resistance is futile. Yeah, I know. So, what is this Programmer Network? And yeah, community crafted, trust and simplicity. It's all about the developers, your space, all about you. Oh, maintaining a personal website. Oh, cool. Seems cool. And how you have a GitHub sponsor package, Alexander. Okay, so you have your sponsor thing, and you job boards more. Do you have a demo for this, Alexander? Or not? Maybe it's... No, I don't understand. Like, why this is beta? You know, you have a login. I don't know what this is. So, sorry about this. This seems a space for website or something. Ah, okay. Great. Well, I'm so once you did, okay, you can go and put your logo in fastify.dev here in who is using Fastify, so you can put your name in here, and it will get automatically rotated as necessary. So it's great. Put the link. Lot of companies. Cool. Okay, so where were we with the test? So the problem is unknown database Platformatic. What I'm creating, cat. The fact that I need to have a digital document composer for Apple Silicon. It's called Graph. Okay, so let's call it Graph. Hey, Augustin, why you didn't go to Bilbao? Haha, this is a good question. Okay, so let me rephrase. So how many of you do you know what happened was happening in Bilbao this week? So this week in, here we go. Yeah, okay, npx plt db migrations apply. Okay, and start. Yeah, and here it's working as expected. Cool. Okay, so now I can do here npm test. Yeah, I thought I fixed it. Wait. Okay, and thought I fixed it. And oh no, I didn't actually. Okay. Yeah. So okay, so there was this nice question from Augustin. Why you didn't go to Bilbao? So what happened in Bilbao last week? So in Bilbao last week we had this. There was the sorry, not the Cross Project Council. There was the Node.js Collaborator Summit, and which is something that I organize and co-organize for the last few years. Unfortunately, usually in the past we had a lot of 2 days event. Okay. So it was 2 days in Dublin, Ireland, 2 days in Spain, 2 days in Austin, Texas, 2 days in Montreal, 2 days in Berlin, and so on and so forth. And they were all connected to a big enough conference to attend. Okay. Now the problem is that the Lightest Collaborator Summit was first in Bilbao, which would have required me to travel for 8 hours from where I live to Bilbao on a Sunday, which I wanted to spend with my daughter instead. So this is the first point. The second point, which is even more tricky to some extent, it's that it requires it was only 1 day essentially. So basically you travel for 8 hours to go, you have 1 day there, travel for 8 hours to go back. Then there was the conference, which to be honest, I and the latest ones, both these in Vancouver, the last one in Vancouver and this one in Bilbao, were open source summit, okay, which in fairness didn't look at, let's take a look at the schedule, okay. It was not something that it's their conference if you are in the business of doing open source, but if conferences that I need to go and promote Fastify, my users are not there, okay. And if I need to go and promote Platformatic, my users are not at this conference. If my users are not at this conference, is not the conference where I need to go. So that's the problem where I stuck. Like if you look at the keynotes, okay, so the keynote, it's software security, critical open source projects, learning from Postgres, open source library for modern machine learning, the power of allyship, blah blah blah. Okay, this is great. And then we have it's more sessions, confidential computing, personal data ownership. Again, those conferences is super great. Okay, they are fantastic. I just want to highlight the fact that when you're doing if I needed to go, I need to weigh the fact that this conference is not very useful for my business, and therefore considering that old me would have gone anyway, I now have a young daughter, and traveling is a problem for family. So I ultimately, conference was not really interesting for my startup Platformatic to present at, and therefore not. It will be fun to attend, okay, but at this point I travel to conference mostly to promote my work, and this was not a good venue for it. So that's the gist. Sorry, maybe it's something that got you more excited than anything else, but yeah, this is not it. Okay, here. Okay, CD temp, CD test, harness. Okay. Oh, you wanted to go, Augustin? You had class? Oh, you studying in France, right? Or something like that? If I recall correctly. So here, for Postgres, we had this logic here. Yeah, you're from Belgium. Okay, here it is. Old. Yeah, this is creating the data. We had all this logic that I did import, unfortunately. I need this logic for Postgres, or I need to run the tests serially. These are the two chances. Let me see. Yeah, I need that. I need this. My other option for this stuff is to have a custom test runner, which this concurrency. Okay. Yeah, if Augustin, if you wanted a Node conference, you probably are coming to Italy for Node.js Conf IT. If you don't, if you want, it's, I know. Concurrence is not dangerous. No, well, it is. With database, it freaking is. Otherwise, your tests are going to be super nuts. So, like, this is old, yeah, bad, this didn't work. This is our old thing, which, what's okay, well, this is the helper, final helper, which creates a database, creates a database, okay, and use that database. So I can try that, okay, let's try that. And instead of doing that, we need to, well, we can have it exposed. I need it exposed. I need the SQL mapper though. SQL mapper, yeah. Because I exposed the create connection pool, yeah. So, okay, in 9, no, not 9. 8, not 8, yeah, 8. Okay, so here I need, let me copy this up. Mm-hmm. Oh, no. No, this can close. Okay. Okay, connection string, DB and SQL. Create connection pool. Connection string. Yeah, this seems correct. Hey, Programmer Network, thank you very much. Yes, very happy to come. Very happy to come on your stream to do whatever. Discuss Bun versus Node. I have not done a stream on Bun versus Node. I should probably do a stream Bun versus Node. So, yeah. Absolutely. Yeah. Ping me. No, ping me on Twitter or DMs or email. Find me and I'll try to get, let's try to get this arranged. It's fine. Totally doable. Yeah. Oh, I need to switch to Postgres. Let's just generate this up from scratch. I need to get the Postgres thing done. Okay, DB here and Postgres. Yes. Default migrations. And yes. 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 Okay, here we go. Oh, I need to start this damn thing. I've completely forgotten. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, no, this is started. Okay, great. So, yeah. Look, let's try that. And, yeah, users. Here we go. Can you hear my daughter screaming, or it's just me that I hear it? Anyway, npm install is actually so damn slow. Okay, great. It's not just me then. Okay, so apply migrations, yes. So Google Bandido, very happy to know that you're coming to CodeMotion. Yay! Are you using Fastify in production? And anybody that are coming to... Hi, Damien. If anybody's coming to Node.js IT and using Fastify in production, let me know. Also CodeMotion. Also almost any conference that I'm going. Okay. This is it. Helper. Cool. Okay. Dang. This is empty. Oh, you use it under Net.js. Ooh. It's bad. Sorry. I'm sorry for you, Google. Google Bandito. I'm so sorry. Okay, so... Okay, here we need to copy this logic. In over here. With the SQL mapper instead, though. Okay. Create connection. No. Pool. Okay, here. Yeah. Okay. And server. Okay. Ooh, it's not defined. I made a mess. So let's look at it. What's in here? It's maybe easier here. Oh, maybe it's called create connection pool. Should be create connection pool. Oh, connect on pool. Okay, yeah, these will be caught by TypeScript, folks. Okay, ident. Oh, what? Sorry. This makes no sense. SQL is undefined. Ooh, this is probably... Okay. Okay. And it's me that it's stupid. Okay. 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 Trace. And we need a logger, I would say so. Uh-huh. Okay. Hibisco log. Yeah. Got stuck. Why got stuck? And okay. Yeah. Creating database. Okay. Oh yeah. Sure. This is the problem. This is not being passed through, I think. Okay. Create log, create connection pool. Yeah, exactly. We are not. This is pool size. Wait a second. Create. Log. Yeah, this is missing stuff. Yeah. Cool. I need to add this here. This is actually important. Well, let me do something way simpler now. Here we go. This is pool size 1. Let's do very simple, and then we will improve. Yep. Not the fanciest, but we'll get things done. And okay. Okay, and let's see. Yeah, perfect. And it's super fast. Look at it. Using custom databases. Okay, perfect. It's brilliant. Okay. And I don't even need this now. Look at how fast it is. Woo! Nope. Yeah. And yeah. Yeah, math random. I would not just use math random here. I would use something like that. Let's not use math random. This is bad. So let's do process PID. Counter plus plus. Okay. And this creates the new thing. Okay. Creates a new database for every run. Yep, exactly. Ooh, yeah, exactly. And then if I add another test here, copying this up. Yeah, fantastic. Okay, brilliant. Okay, there is a good question from Jahood. And what is the difference between request and fetch in Undici and Undici? Undici, what is Undici? Okay, Undici is this library. Okay, it's an HTTP 1.1 and 2 client that we wrote from scratch for Node. Okay, it provides a few different things. One is fetch, which is standard compliant fetch. It passes 88% of the spec tests that are relevant. Okay, now if a library that is using fetch does not run the spec tests, it's which are called WPTs, web platform tests, it's absolutely garbage. Sorry, it's not spec compliant. If they don't tell how much tests they pass, it's not spec compliant. Okay, so, and know that we refer to the spec. So we pass more or less 88% of what we can run. Some of it does not apply. Some are complex to run. Some there is problems, but some of the stuff is not relevant. But we pass 88% of what's relevant. Okay, what are the others do? I don't know. So this is fetch. Okay, it's also based on Node.js fetch. So Node.js fetch is essentially this function. Okay. However, fetch is slow. Why fetch is slow in Node? Because it's based on fetch is in Node is slow, mostly because it's based on WhatWG streams, which have not been super optimized like the normal streams we do. So right now, fetch it comes slower, okay, out of the box, and you can see it here that it's the slower of the lot, okay. It's still relatively fast, but it's slow. Okay. Undici request, it's freaking fast. Literally freaking fast. It's like 5 times faster. So 5x. So it means you in the same second you can do 5 times more HTTP requests with Undici request versus Undici fetch. So, and more or less it has a nice to use API. It does a little bit less thing, but most you don't need them. So anyway, what you should be using most of the time, Undici request. If you care about spec compatibility and using your same code on front end and the back end, use fetch, Undici fetch. Hopefully it's a good answer here. Okay, so I need to port this thing up to my code. Okay, so something that I want to do though, it's here. Const create connection pool. Now SQL mapper. I think in core we don't re-export this, right? No, we don't. Well, but we could. So, but we don't have the types, so users. Okay, these modules really should be dead, but whatever. We have it here and here anyway. Cool. So create connection pool. Good. Export, create connection pool. Okay, here, and then in the tests, in the types, we need and well, I need to just do this. Yeah. Great. Okay, so you also have this available, so you can use this. You can use this in tests. Great. But I need to make that change to another branch because I want to ship that. Anyway, cool. In the meanwhile, let's get it from the So here I need to copy this. See you, Google Bandito. Thanks. Okay, so here, where are we? Create Platformatic. We are in the Postgres. So plugins, well, create plugins. Okay. Here in the helper, we have requires. Okay. So this is moved into the requires box. Then it's pre. We still need to do stuff in pre. Okay. And which is this block. Okay. Okay. And okay, so here it's all the pre stuff, and then we need let counter 0, and we increment the stuff, create the new connection. This is not needed technically because we do connect and clean it up. Okay. And oh no, we made a mistake here because we have the new DB to use, which we didn't change. So I need to change this in here. Yep. Okay, no. Ooh. No. Sorry. Why the heck is not copying it? Okay. Okay, there is somebody that wants to be kicked out of my channel and want to be reported immediately, so let's oblige them. Okay, bye bye. Okay. Yes. Okay, it works perfectly. Amazing. Okay, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay, so now I am truly content with my change. Okay. Here I need though not to replace the Postgres stuff, but to replace everything that comes after it with the new DB. So let's try that instead. Let's see if this passes too. Oh no, yeah, not this one. Okay, perfect. This passing, yeah. Ooh. No, this needs to be Postgres. In front is not a slash, so not a slash, and yeah, let's try that again. No. Okay, what is coming out? Postgres, yeah, not correct. So we need, oh yeah, and we need a dot. Actually, I can just do here AZ. Okay. Let's try that. Yeah, perfect. And I also want this and this, just in case. Yes. Okay. And then I need some more requires here. Const create connection pool. SQL mapper. Let's leave a to do here. Okay. Okay. It's great. Okay, let's try to regenerate this project and see if it's all passing again. Ooh. Sorry, where this failed? 69. Sorry, I got it wrong. Create DB. $69. What? Oh, here we go. Okay. And yay, DB. Yes. No. DB. DB. Here, Postgres. Yes. Yes. Plugin. Yes. No. Yes. Here we go. It's running. Here we go. There is something odd with npm right now, mostly because if I run it in certain ways, it's faster, but if I run it others, it's not. So it's very odd. Okay. Ooh. Okay. What did I make wrong? Oh, yeah. I'm missing a thing. It's not a T. It's a T. Okay. Hi, Aku. Hi, Damien. I got a nice question from Damien. Damien, I'm going to answer it in a second. I just need to test this out. Yes. Okay. What tool do I use to create a database schema in relational database? So I use migrations and Postgreator. That's what I use and what Platformatic uses. I would actually recommend those tools. They are great. Okay. But look, if you need some help in writing some SQL, just ask ChatGPT. It's a phenomenal at it. So if you need the schema, you describe your app, it creates the schema. It has read a lot of SQL books, so it's actually pretty good. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, okay. I need 4. Okay, here. Need to go 1 level down. Let server. Yeah, it's haha. So this is a problem. Let's see how I can fix it. Test helper. I move it here. Okay, so here I don't need to create it. And then I need the helper in TypeScript. Which we'll need to test later on. Here I need something like that. Few bits. Do I like C++? I don't think anybody in the world can say they like C++. I can do C++ if needed. Do I like it? Do I like doing it? No, at all. Not at all. 0. -0. Okay. DB here. Yes. I will need to work on the new Fastify typing things. I need a fast TypeScript guru to help me. So if you know somebody that wants to come on stream to help me out on doing Fastify types, absolutely. I actually need to propose it to Matt Pocock to actually help out if he wants to and do some streaming, even on his channel if he wants to. I'm very happy to do it, or he can come to mine, or we can do something together. I don't know. It will be pretty dope. Yeah, TS app and TypeScript simple type file. Yeah, it's not complicated. No, TypeScript is not. It's simple. Yeah, sorry. Hard pass on that sentence, Augustine. It's super hard, especially if you're trying to create an ecosystem of plugin. TypeScript is actually freaking hard. Okay, really freaking hard. Especially because if you want to stay away from declaration merging, which is a phenomenal thing, but also slightly incorrect. Okay, so yeah, I'm not really, but not really. Okay. Do you want to enable peer preview? No, and no. Okay, great. Come on, what's the problem? Okay, this one. Well, this was fixed though. Okay. The real question is, yeah, Aku, you can. I'm thinking actually to put it to file, so you can restrict. You will be able to completely avoid declaration merging, like completely. I want in Fastify 5 to completely remove declaration merging from the table. So maybe even in Fastify 4, but it's a more of an ecosystem problem. But I want it to be. I need to add the core basics in Fastify. We can add it in Fastify 4. We need to see then if how to migrate the rest of the plugins. So okay. And what happened here? What the problem? Oh. Haha. Made a mess. Double thing. So here I need 2 of those. Yeah. And 2 of this. Yep. I think, let me check. Because I need something here like that. And where do we have the other? Yeah. And here I want this. Okay. Yeah. Bye bye, Augustin. It's great to see you. See you next time. Okay. Apply migration, yes. Amazing. Okay, this works. Thank God. Okay, we have Postgres working in JavaScript. Okay. We need to do the same thing with MySQL. I'm just going to try. I don't care. Let's see how it goes.
Ain't nobody asking, I've been basking in my liberty, cause slavery is real. Doesn't mean the shackles gotta be revealed. Fighting with my pen, it's the closest thing to steal, and it's what they wanna steal. There's value in the word, gotta figure out the real.
I'm just going to trust it. Okay.
They were still persuading like I'm needing a dime. Like my people ain't be dying over gold in the mines. It's funny, right? I'm still numb to the
BB.
Couldn't tell if my joy was out of love or what would hold me when I needed me a hug. That's the realest. Yeah.
Okay, here we need graph.
Yeah, it's the only thing revealing. Trying to get me closer to the Lord.
Great default migration. Yes. Yes. No.
Words get to show you all my flaws. It's poetry and pain, blessing in the chain, pictures I could paint. Yeah, it's poetry and pain, blessings in the chain.
It is.
Yeah, it's poetry and
yeah, I've published a bunch of things. Hello, here we go. Lot of things happening. Okay. This one can land. Then cool. And by the way, when you see this going, you will be blasted. This is just phenomenal. So I am pretty excited about that release. Cool, it's finished. Yes. And no. Okay. Yeah, not that one. This is a problem. Okay, let me try and see if it's good, but I need to edit this up. Yes, it works the same. So excited. But I made a mistake. Which, damn me. Where do I have the frigging connection strings? Yeah. Here we go. And then I need these helpers to be functions. So yep. Oh, I need the MySQL and Postgres connection string. This is a function. This is a function. And I can just use the JS helper MySQL here. Yeah. the MariaDB can go to the bin, and this needs to be a function. Comes a function which takes the connection string as the parameter, and that does return an object. Yep. And here, instead of this, it does connection string. I need the same here. Yep. Ooh, super bad. Line 38. 328. Oh, what did I do wrong? Oh yeah, I'm missing a closing bracket here. And SQL Postgres, it has two closing brackets. Closing brackets, okay, so here. Okay. Yeah, here, 106. Yeah, okay. So DB here, Postgres. Let's try Postgres. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. These, let's do CCC. And CCC. And let's do MySQL. Edit. This needs to be graph. Yes. Yes, yes. No. Yes. Okay. 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 Migrations. Here we go. PR previews. No, no. Okay. And then here. Yes. npm test. No. Okay, npm test. Okay, amazing. Woo. Okay, let's do BBB again, and let's try MariaDB. And that was a very good session today. I need to edit it, make it graph. Yeah. Yes. Default migrations. Create a plugin. Yes. Hi, I heal. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for joining. Okay. Yes! Look at how fast they are. Super impressed. Look at it. Blazing fast. What happened? No! No! Wait, why? So it auto-applied the migrations in theory. So here we are showing all the stuff. Yeah, it's running the queries. Why is it not picking it up? This is bizarre. It's the same problem though, so this is good news. At least. Oh, wait. Sorry. This is not correct. So, okay. So this is not correct. I need to do that. And I need to move this here. Okay. Does this fix it? No. But it's a good change that we do anyway. So it cleans them up, so it just dropped the whole database. It's great. just drops the whole database. So, nope, no need for anything. It's Postgres. This is MySQL. These we can drop. So in plugins, I can actually move this back to const here, which gives me way better, which make me feel way better. The test suite do not run one after each other. They run in parallel because they create new databases all the time. At least that's the theory. And it works with Postgres, it seems, but doesn't for... Yeah. Create that. Yeah, each test suite has a different connection string. Abso-freaking-lutely. Yes, that's the gist. But apparently it doesn't work. Let me try with Postgres, because that should work. No, made it wrong. Okay. Hi, Accelerita. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for following. This is passing. Okay. In the meanwhile, cd ccc. Okay. Why the heck this is not passing? What's the problem here? Oh. Edit anyway. So it's creating the thing, it's replacing it correctly. So but the table is not there. Why the heck the table is not there? Like the error that we get is okay. Yeah, if you go node test movies, routes, movies, npx, pino pretty, Yeah, and we can see the table, blah blah blah, movies does not exist. Yeah. Oh, wait a second. Because when we run the migrations, here it just creates them somewhere. Let's see. Oh yeah, I made a mistake. Yes. So, here. If not exists. White table doesn't exist. This is what puzzles me the most. Okay, so what we do is we run that, and table schema, yeah, creates everything. What the heck? Yeah, it does a lot of things. Wait. Here, there is a versions table, which oh, Katuli, very nice that you found some. We shipped something that you needed. Great. Yeah, I know that there's been a long queue in Node.js releases before security releases, then hold ups because of bugs. Has been 20 has had a very rough patch, to be honest. So, okay, if I do npm test here with this and run it again, this passes forever. What I think is happening. So how do I connect to MySQL? Okay, connect to MySQL. So yeah. Do I have no? Whoa, amazing. So happy. Okay, so I think the problem is in here. in the migrator. Schema table. Okay, let me look at postgrator. Okay, I think there is a bug somewhere. Yeah, but the problem is yeah, create quoted schema table. Okay. Yeah, you see here it's version. Does use create connection pool. Let's try something. Okay, so okay, dot test. Let's call it test dot mjs. Okay, so import create connection pool from SQL mapper. Okay, so and connection string. Yay. Well, technically, chat, we are not fixing bugs in Platformatic today. We are writing the tests for Platformatic applications. So, but yeah. And we use, no. And this is GraphQL. Unfortunately, it's okay. And then this is const. Actually, it's not pool, it's this is db SQL. So versions. Okay. Oh, what am I using? Root without password. And and graph. Yep. Okay. Drop table versions. Okay. Yep. Graph.versions does not exist. Correct. Hello, Raphael. Yay. Oh, yeah, I know. Where are you based now? Where are you live? Are you back in Brazil or are you flying to China? I think you're flying to China now, right? You aren't coming to Italy for Node.js Conf IT. You're in Bilbao. Yay, amazing. Okay, so here. So I'm going live at where is it? At TypeScript Congress in 20 minutes. So fun. Oh, amazing, man. Are you coming to Italy for Node.js Conf IT or just staying in Bilbao? In China? Or flying back to Brazil? Okay, this does not exist. Okay, so now if I do node test routes movies, it fails. What the heck? Okay, so okay, graph version does not exist. Cool. Okay. Getting mad at this. What the heck? Okay, so it connects because it freaking connects. Okay. And migrating from, yeah, results 0. Yeah, table schema 0. Creates the table, runs the migration. Yes. Yes. Yes, it computes the schema. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. I need to set schema lock to false. Otherwise, it's going to regenerate the schema. Good finding, Matteo. Okay, and I need to put it inside here, the DB. Okay. It must be compute anyway for everybody, I think. So here we need to also set it for Postgres for complete complementary things. Okay. I think there is a bug with that. Pretty sure. I think there is a bug. I need to run the migrations all the time, even if the schema lock is different. Otherwise, it will never apply, of course. Yeah, that's a bug. Let me note it down. Okay. Okay. This is actually required for 1.0 and a bug. Okay. Great. Well, anyway, amazing. This actually works on all three of them, on JavaScript, TypeScript, and everything in between. So with that, I think I'm calling it a day. Okay. And I'm finishing the stream because it actually works. You know, we have parallel testing of all the databases running at the same time. And I need to fix the TypeScript version and I have a few other bugs to do. But this is pretty amazing for both service and DB. I need to do Composer. A lot of work, but actually getting there very quickly. Very, very happy about this. So yeah, thank you very much for joining and talk to you soon. Going to go to TypeScript Congress, so if you have a ticket for that, you can go and do that conference. So thank you very much for joining and bye-bye.